Did you know there's a creature on Earth that can lift 50 times its own body weight, farm other animals, and build empires that span entire continents? No, I'm not talking about a sci-fi movie monster. I'm talking about the tiny ant you see on your sidewalk. These little guys are way more incredible than you could ever imagine. Stick around, because today we're re-diving into 5 mind-blowing facts about ants that will completely change the way you see them. Let's start with their insane strength. We've all heard ants are strong, but do you really grasp how strong? Imagine a person lifting a truck. That's the equivalent of an ant lifting objects up to 50 times its own weight. How do they do it? It's all thanks to their tiny size. Their muscles have a greater cross-sectional area relative to their body size compared to larger animals. This gives them a massive power-to-weight ratio. So, next time you see an ant carrying a huge crumb, give it a little respect. It's basically the world's strongest weight. Okay! From strength to smarts. Did you know that some ants are farmers? That's right. Leafcutter ants, for example, don't actually eat the leaves they so diligently carry. Instead, they use them as fertilizer to grow a special type of fungus in their underground gardens. This fungus is their primary food source. They cultivate it, they protect it from pests, and they harvest it. It's a complex agricultural system that's been around for millions of years, long before humans ever thought of planting a seed. It's a perfect example of a symbiotic relationship where both the ants and the fungus benefit. Now, let's talk numbers. The sheer quantity of ants on this planet is staggering. Scientists estimate that for every single human on Earth, there are over 1 million ants. Let that sink in. 1 million ants for each of us. If you were to gather all the ants in the world and put them on a giant scale, their total weight would be roughly equal to, or even greater than, the total weight of all humans combined. They are one of the most successful and dominant species on the planet, quietly running the world right under our feet. But they don't just exist in huge numbers. They form We're not talking about a few thousand ants in your backyard. We're talking about massive networks of nests that can stretch for thousands of kilometers. The largest known ant supercolony is an Argentine ant colony that extends over 6,000 kilometers along the Mediterranean coast of Europe. Millions of nests and billions of individual ants all cooperate as if they were a single, unified entity. They recognize each other as kin and work together, creating a society on a scale that's almost impossible for us to comprehend. It's like one giant country of ants. Finally, and this might be the most shocking fact of all, ants don't have lungs. So, how do they breathe? They breathe through a series of tiny holes all over their bodies. These spiracles are connected to a network of tubes called trachea that deliver oxygen directly to every cell in their body. This system is super efficient for their small size. But it is also one of the reasons why insects cooey and grow to the size of a car. A passive breathing system like this just wouldn't be able to supply oxygen to a massive body. Still, it's a brilliant and alien-like solution to the problem of respiration. So, there you have it. Ants are super strong, fungus farming, world dominating, lungless wonders. They're not just pests, they're one of nature's most fascinating and complex creations. The next time you see one, maybe you'll look a little closer and appreciate the incredible world buzzing just beneath our notice. What did you find most surprising? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these amazing ant facts, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.